What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be discussing how to fix your Samsung fast charger not working. So as you guys know, I do have my Samsung S8 Plus that I got like more than 1 year back. So this video is actually for those who have Samsung S8, S8 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, or maybe a phone that actually works on Type-C fast charger. Like a couple of days back, I just realized my fast charger has stopped working whenever I connect my charger. It actually charges in a slow cable charging manner. It just started happening suddenly. There's nothing new that I did. So if you guys are also facing this problem, we'll be discussing the cause of that problem in this video and also the solution to fix that. So let me set up my device and I'll walk through how you can fix the problem. So this is my Samsung S8 Plus, and this is my original fast charger and the fast charging Type-C cable that came with the phone. So I'm going to demonstrate what the current situation is. Whenever I plug in my original fast charging charger and the cable, it gives me the message that it's actually slow charging, it's not fast charging. So let me show you what the current situation is. I'm gonna connect this charger and the cable right now. You can see it actually doesn't charge in a fast charging manner, and it gives you a pop-up box saying that's slow charging. Make sure your charger is properly connected. Use the charger that came with the device. I'm gonna click OK, but you can see it says slow charging on top. And if I turn the phone on, you can see it says about 7 hours until fully charged, which is like a lot. I'm gonna try again for the second time and let's see if I get the message again. As you can see, this is the error message that I actually faced like many times. Let me try to zoom that. If you can read that in the phone, it actually says charging about 3 hours 7 minutes until fully charged, and that was the error message, slow charging error message. And if I unlock the phone, you can actually see that it actually says cable charging, approximately 20 minutes to fully charge. It's not that bad, but it's still not fast charging. In case if you guys are wondering, like my phone is like 91% charged already. This is the reason, it's actually showing me cable charge. Let me tell you, it's actually not the reason. Whatever be the case, in perfect scenario, the phone would always say fast charging, whether it does fast charging or not, because it's actually adaptive fast charging. So it will never show cable charging. Let's try to connect the charger once again and let's see if we get the message again. This is the error message I'm talking about. As you can see, it says slow charging. I'm using the original cable, original charger. So let's discuss the cause of this problem and the solution or the workaround that you can actually do to actually resolve this problem. So this problem is actually because of your wire. It's not because of your adapter, because if your adapter was actually damaged, then you would not get the charge at all. But since you are getting the charge, because since you are getting the phone to be cable charged, like slow charge, it's not your adapter, it's actually your wire. And to actually solve this problem, you can either get a new wire, maybe a new original Type-C wire from Samsung, from Amazon or whatever. But since I don't want to spend some money on that, this is because I do have some micro USB cables lying with me. And if you guys remember this is the Type-C adapter that came with your phone. This is actually to convert your micro USB cables into your Type-C cable, Type-C ports. So I'm going to demonstrate using this adapter onto my this micro USB cable, which I do have already with me, already lying with me. So this is the reason I actually didn't want to purchase a new cable, a new Type-C cable, when I still have my micro USB cable and a Type-C adapter to actually fit on this cable. So let's connect this adapter to this micro USB cable. It's actually connected, and this actually converts your micro USB cable to a Type-C cable. So that means I don't have to buy a new cable now. So let me connect this cable into this adaptive fast charger, and this is really important. Do not connect this cable to any other charger, because your charger has to be adaptive fast charging. Otherwise you will not get fast charging at all. So let me connect this charger to the wall. So I'm gonna connect it now. And as you can see, it says fast charging. Let me try to connect it again. Charging and then fast charging. Let me try to connect it again to actually show you the concept that it's actually your wire, it's not your charger, or it's not even your phone. It says fast charging. And actually there's one more thing that I would like to show you. Even after doing this workaround and you're still not able to get the fast charge, then do make sure that your fast charging option is actually enabled in your phone. So for that, go to device maintenance, go to battery, click on these three dots on top right, and now click on advanced settings, and you will see that there's an option called fast cable charging. Just make sure it's actually enabled, because if it is disabled, then you will not get fast charge at all. And you don't need to actually convert this like micro USB cable using this adapter into Type-C cable. I did that because I have like a lot of micro USB cables at home lying with me, and I didn't want to buy a new cable because I do have like adapter and cable. But if you want, then you can actually go ahead and purchase a Type-C cable for you. And this concludes our video. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. And if it was, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be sharing more cool videos on the same lines. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.